15 Popular English slang expressions. Part 2. 1. Savage. Formal, ruthless or harsh. Explanation. Used to describe someone who is unapologetically blunt or someone who does something extreme without hesitation. Example. She made a savage comeback to that insult. Formal. She responded to that insult in a very ruthless manner. 2. Cap, no cap. Formal, false, truthful. Explanation. Cap means a lie, and no cap means no lie or being truthful. Example. I'm not capping, I really did it. Formal. I am not lying, I genuinely did it. 3. Bet. Formal, agreement or affirmation. Explanation. Used to show agreement, like saying okay or I accept. Example. Want to grab lunch later? Bet. Formal. Would you like to grab lunch later? I agree. 4. Clout. Formal, influence or power. Explanation. Refers to influence, especially in social media or online contexts, often related to popularity. Example. She's always posting to get clout. Formal. She is always posting to gain influence. 5. Slay. Formal. Succeed or perform exceptionally well. Explanation. Refers to doing something with confidence and excellence. Example. You totally slayed that presentation. Formal. You performed exceptionally well in that presentation. 6. Boujee. Formal, luxurious or extravagant. Explanation. Used to describe something or someone as high class or trying to appear wealthy. Example. She's so bougie with her designer bags. Formal. She is very extravagant with her designer bags. 7. On point. Formal, perfect or accurate. Explanation. Refers to something that is exactly right or precise. Example. Your outfit is on point today. Formal. Your outfit looks perfect today. 8. Simp. Formal, overly attentive or submissive. Explanation. Used to describe someone who is excessively focused on someone they are attracted to, often to an unhealthy degree. Example. Stop simping over her, dude. Formal. Stop being overly attentive to her. 9. Throw a fit. Formal. Have a tantrum or overreact. Explanation. To get upset or angry, usually over something minor. Example. He threw a fit when he lost the game. Formal. He overreacted when he lost the game. 10. Hyped. Formal, excited or thrilled. Explanation. Used to describe someone who is very excited about something. Example. I'm so hyped for the concert this weekend. Formal. I am very excited for the concert this weekend. 11. Flex. Formal, show off or boast. Explanation. To show off, especially when bragging about something. Example. He loves to flex his new car. Formal. He enjoys showing off his new car. 12. FOMO. Formal, fear of missing out. Explanation. Refers to the anxiety that one is missing an exciting or important event. Example. I can't believe I didn't go. I have major FOMO. Formal. I regret not going. I have a strong fear of missing out. 13. Vibe. Formal, atmosphere or feeling. Explanation. Refers to the mood or energy of a person, place, or situation. Example. This party has such a chill vibe. Formal. This party has a very relaxed atmosphere. 14. Ghosting. Formal, ignoring or cutting off contact. Explanation. refers to someone suddenly stopping all communication without explanation. Example, she ghosted me after our date. Formal, she stopped communicating with me after our date. 15. Thirsty. Formal, desperate or overly eager. Explanation, used to describe someone who is desperate for attention or validation, usually in a romantic or social context. Example, he's always acting so thirsty around her. Formal, he is always acting overly eager around her. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.